Okay, I'm ready to start square 2 of my mitered square blanket. I have marked with a removable marker, you can also use a coloured piece of thread, the right side and the corner that I started so that I know where to start my second square or where I'm going from as I make the blanket. So I'm down to the last 2 stitches and they are on the left hand needle. So I'm going to knit those 2 together for my final decrease and start with my new colour. You don't have to start with a new colour, I just happen to be. So that's going to be my first stitch. And then we start picking up down the side. I'm going to pick up 20 stitches and that's my first stitch obviously. What we do is we pick up the bars between the garter stitch bumps, so those are the bars. So that's my first one, which is my second stitch, and just to lock in those tails I gather them up and pop them over the top of my working yarn just to secure them, which makes it easier to manage later on. So that's my second stitch, and then just continue along the way, third, fourth, and you can just kind of stretch your work out to find that bar. Do that one again. Okay, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, oops, split my yarn, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. My 20th stitch needs to be right in the corner, so I'm going to go under a couple of strands of yarn there rather than the bar, right in the corner of my work, and that's my last stitch, so that I've got a more of a secure stitch in the corner there. Okay, so that's how those first 20 look, and then I'm going to now cable cast on 20 new stitches, which will be the bottom of my second square. So to do that, turn over to your wrong side and start your cable cast on like you did when you cast on initially. So just between those first 2 stitches, and we're casting on 20 to make our 40 altogether. Right, I have now cast on the 20 there, so I've got 40 altogether, and that's how it looks. Kind of a weird shape, but it does work out. So now I'm still on the wrong side of my work, so that's the right side where my marker is. So I'm going to knit across at the 20 stitch mark, place my stitch marker so I know for my decreases on the next row. So just knit across all of those stitches and then turn to the right side and continue in pattern. Okay, so I just wanted to show you, I've got to the 20th stitch on my wrong side row, so I've just turned it over to show you how that square is going to look, so you can see that it will match up to the first square. So the mitre will be travelling in the same direction up that way as we do our decreases. And then when I want to add more squares to this first row of squares, I do it the same way as that second square. So picking up 20, cast on 20, all the way along for that row. When I get to the row above and want to add squares up above there, I will be casting on 20 and then picking up 20 for that first square. And then the second square of the second row, I will be picking up 20 and then picking up 20 on the top of the square that I'm creating here. So picking up 20 down the side and 20 across the top of that square. And that basically is the format throughout our blanket. But I will create more videos later on to show you how that looks. Okay, so I've finished my first row. I've turned my work over to the right side and I'm ready to do my first decrease at the center there of my second square. So enjoy your mitered square knitting.